Now, let us see delete at a given position in a double linked list. Now let us see the explanatory part of this deletion at a given position in a double linked list. First, what we need to do, we need to assign head to the temp node, and you need to take the counter because at a particular position you need to delete. So we are taking the counter as 1, and here again we are assigning the position of deletion as 3, while counter less than 3 and temp not equal to null. We have not reached the end of the list and counter less than position. Now temp is assigned to the temp 1 and temp will become temp next. That means we are moving the positions of the double linked list by using the temp variable until we reach the particular position where we want to perform the deletion. Every time the counter should be incremented by 1. So after reaching this particular position, then we will see what are the steps to be executed and how we are going to keep the links between this node and this particular node. Now let us see what is the value of C, 1. So 1 less than position, that is 3. So according to our condition, true. So temp will become temp 1. Temp will point to the next node, that is 20. So here this is temp and this is temp 1. Now again, what is the value of C? 2. 2 less than 3, is the condition true? Yes. So what we need to do? Again, temp will be moved to the 1 position forward. So now this is temp 1, this is temp. Now what is the value of C? C is now 3 less than 3. Is that condition true? No. So condition failed. So what we should do? We should break the link. So for breaking the link, what we are going to do after breaking the link, what we need to do? Temp 1 next. This is temp 1 now. It's a next. Next is nothing but it is pointing to temp. So instead of pointing to temp, it should point to the temp next. That means temp 1 next is assigned with temp next. That means we have assigned this address is assigned with this address. Next, temp next previous. This is temp now. Its next is this one, and its next is which node? This node, and it's a previous. That means this part. It should point to which node? Temp 1 node. So it is pointing to temp 1 node. So we are breaking these two links and we are updating. Temp 1 is containing the link of temp next, and temp next previous is pointing to the temp 1. So these are the steps to be performed once the condition is failed. So first what we are doing, we are keeping the link between temp 1 next to temp, and we are updating their addresses. Next, now temp next previous should point to the temp 1. So we are updating its addresses to 2030. Here the address is updated to 2050. So this is the how we are going to perform a deletion at a given position. Finally, you need to remove the node. Which node we need to remove? Temp. So that's why you need to perform free of temp. This is how we are going to delete a node at a given position.